We'll guide you through how to integrate Stripe into your website or application. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Stripe website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up quickly on their homepage. Once you're logged in, head over to the dashboard. Here, you'll see an option called Developers in the left-hand menu. Click on it, and then choose API keys. This is where you can find your publishable and secret keys, which are essential for the integration. Now, copy these keys because you'll need them shortly. Next, go to your website's backend or the platform where you manage your code. If you're using something like WordPress, there might be a plugin available for Stripe, so be sure to check that out. If you're coding manually, you'll need to integrate Stripe's library. For example, if you're using Node.js, you can install the Stripe package via npm by running the command npm install Stripe. Once the library is set up, you can initialize Stripe by creating a new instance of Stripe using your secret key. Now, you can set up payment intents or checkout sessions depending on your needs. For a simple checkout, you can use Stripe Checkout, which is a pre-built payment page. You'll need to create a checkout session server-side, passing the necessary parameters like currency and the amount. Once the session is created, you can redirect users to the checkout page using the session's URL. For more customization, you might want to use payment intents, which give you more control over the payment process. Remember to handle webhooks to keep track of payment events and update your database accordingly. This ensures that your application knows when a payment is successful or if it fails. That's it for the basic integration. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.